Hello and welcome to all of our viewers from around the world. We have quite a game in prospect here, just waiting for the players to emerge, and we will be underway. My name's Peter Drury, and here's my co-commentator for the game, it's Jim Beglin.
Hello Peter, and hello to everyone watching. For me, it's a real thrill to be here.
A quick look at the lineups. So it's down to business here. And the defence can get it clear. Plays it out to the wing. Drilled in low. And that's been repelled. Aimed long and direct. Now here's the through ball. Not the worst cross in the world, but still room for improvement. Ball swung in. He'll have a dip! It's come loose. Who's going to make this theirs? Plays it over to the other flank. He's made sure that that won't get through. Tries a through ball. Lovely feet. Goes for the cross. It's well blocked, and back out it comes. Forward it goes. Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? Tries to switch the play. Trippier gets it back. Whistle's gone, that's foul. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. He's gone for the shot!
Yeah, maybe the free kick could have been executed a little better, but they've got to be wary of conceding fouls from similar positions now, or it's a recipe for more trouble. They could pay the price.
No, that's not the ball he wanted. Pumps it upfield. Tries to stroke it through. Goal! What about that, Jim Beglin?
Yeah, it looks simple, Peter, but it requires intelligent use of space and good understanding to pull it off.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Still a fragile lead, though. They can't afford to sit on this.
He's dealt with that well. And he's been judged offside.
Oh, just when we were about to appreciate a lovely one-touch pass, the flag ruined the moment.
Keeper's got good distance on that. Lobs it in gently, and he's shown him a clean pair of heels. Great build-up, it all deserved a better ending.
It almost looked like the perfect marriage, the way the long pass was delivered so exactly into the runner's path, and it's a shame it led to nothing.
Battles to win it back. Gets into some space. I think that's offside. Yes, it is.
I'm not sure about that call, you know, but we get to see replays.
It'll be a throw-in. So what now? Just deflected over the goal line for a corner. And that should be the keeper's. Spoon forward. He's away! Good challenge, he just stood firm. Now the pass.
That's good defence, plain and simple, good defence. They refuse to allow a turn.
Looks to dink one in. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Trippier. Done very well to intervene. Goes long and forward. Comes sliding in. No complaints about that challenge. Robust but fair. Tries to get it forward quickly. Trippier. Defending was strong and firm. Passes it through. He's pinged one through here. Oh, good interception. Goes direct to the front line. Aimed long and direct. Played out to the wing. What an adventurous run from a defender. And we've reached half-time.
Well, they definitely won't be happy with that half. They seem to lack a bit of desire, especially going forward. It wouldn't surprise me to see a change or two.
Here we go again then.
Newcastle need to get the balance right to sort this out. Ambition must be complemented by just the right amount of caution, and I think the more experienced players can oversee that.
And he's on his way! The ball's come loose and the chase is on. It's gone a long way up and away. Looking to shoot! Just off target.
Well, I think the keeper knows all too well that there was no getting anywhere near that. That's a big escape.
Thrust towards the front line. Another piece of really good defending. Oh, well defended. That had to be done. Gets good distance on it. That's it, and now what? It's there! Well, from right in front of goal, there was no way he was going to miss.
Yeah, and teamwork was key to that. A beautiful piece of engineering to set him free in the box.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
It's pulsating, it's absorbing, and it's hugely entertaining. Every single player is giving everything.
Well, he acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
The idea was good though, Peter, and I like the run that triggered the pass, but the quality was the problem.
He's making good use of his strength there, just refuses to be out-muscled. Trippier. Cross deflected behind for a corner. Away from immediate danger. Trippier. Trippier, in by Trippier. Defence has got rid of that.
Well, we don't need to guess that they expect plenty of ball into the box.
Yeah, it's quite a crowd scene in the middle now.
Well, it's a situation that requires resilience now and plenty of fighting spirit. It has to be matched.
Looks like a good ball through. It's a good-looking cross. Seems now to be all about width.
Well, when you have the personnel to create in wide areas, then they need to see as much of the ball as possible.
Share. Out to the flank. Swept in. He's going to have to tune his rangefinder before the next one. Yeah, he's offering an apology for that. He needed to deliver a better ball. Tries the route one option. Get the pass he's looking for. Good defending, he knew he had to stop it right there. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Looks to slip it through.
It wouldn't have been the most eye-catching goal we'd seen. Ultimately, the numbers prevented him from scrambling it in.
Now here's the through ball. And that will be the final act. Well, nobody is totally satisfied, but it was a more than decent game, a super watch, and it ends in a draw. Any reflections on what you've seen, Jim?
Well, there were times when they looked like winning it and times when they looked like losing it, so they'll be reasonably happy to end up with what they've got.
So that's it for today. Thank you, Jim, and good afternoon all.